I may or may not upload this, but I recently made a DexDrive video. And after that night, the power went out when I was doing a couple virus scans at the same time. And as a result, it trashed the hard drive completely. So this is what comes up. And hold on a second. If you type last known good configuration, it doesn't do anything. Safe mode doesn't do anything. All that happens is a blue screen. Okay. So, just because it was windy, lost power for half a second and it destroyed the hard drive, and I didn't have anything backed up. So, I have to get a new one sometime and start all over.